Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready to match some awesome police vehicles in the desert? Look at these empty shadows. Can you find the right spot for our brave police car?
Whoa! Did you see that? I bet the police car is trying to drive over the moon.
Actually, he is just showing off his fancy flip skills. Let's help him land perfectly.
Huh? What the hell?
Vroom vroom! He's spinning so fast, he's making the emojis laugh along with us.
Click! Perfect fit. Those heart emojis prove our brave friend is right where he belongs. Keep going. Can you point to the next vehicle that needs to be matched?
Boom! Fireworks for a job well done! You guys are absolute puzzle masters.
We did it! Every single police vehicle is safe in the desert. Great teamwork, everyone! Welcome, puzzle fans! Today we're helping our brave police car buddies find their missing eyes. Vroom vroom! Let's go!
I bet the blue one needs the biggest eye. Wait, does that fit? No way!
Quick! The timer is ticking. 3, 2, 1! Match them fast!
Go!
Oh no, a red warning sign. That piece is definitely not the right match. Silly!
Oops! My mistake. Let's try that again. Maybe this one clicks into place?
Ting! Perfect! Look how happy our police cars look now that they can see clearly again.
Wow! Fireworks! Boom! You guys are absolute puzzle masters for solving that so quickly.
High five, everyone! Thanks for playing along with us today. See you in the... Welcome, puzzle explorers! Look at these construction buddies rolling onto our screen. Vroom! Vroom!
Oh no! Our hardworking digger is missing its wheels. Is it supposed to hop like a bunny?
Silly co-host! Excavators need sturdy wheels to travel. Kids, point to the right ones and let's click them into place. Click! Snap! Perfect! Now our digger is ready to roll.
Wait, why is it still sitting there? Maybe it needs giant metal shoes?
Those aren't shoes, they're tracks. They help the digger grip the dirt. Can you help us attach them? 3, 2, 1, kerchunk! It fits like a glove. Boom! Look at those fireworks. Our hard-working digger is finally ready for the construction site.
You guys are absolute puzzle pros. Yay! Smash that subscribe button and join us for the next big adventure.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we have our hard-working digger buddies ready for a big construction adventure.
Whoa, Did a dragon just turn our construction friends into shadows? That's super spooky! What?
Oh no! Look at that sad little kitty. Don't worry, little one. We're going to fix this. Shazam! A magical blue light is bringing our machines back to life. Vroom! They're waking up! It's puzzle time! Can you spot the missing piece for our hard-working orange excavator? Point right at it!
Maybe it's a giant slice of pizza? No? Okay, I'm just kidding. Keep looking, everyone.
Look, our kitty friend is helping us. She's such a clever little helper. Click that piece into place. She's thinking really hard now. Does that square part fit the yellow excavator? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, snap! We did it! The machines are complete and looking shiny and new. Great teamwork, everyone! You're all master builders! Whoa! Boom! Welcome to the beach, puzzle fans! Are you ready to help our brave police cars?
I hope they brought their swimsuits. Vroom! Let's get this mission started.
Look at those mysterious silhouettes. Can you guess which police car hides in the shadows?
Is it a giant pizza delivery car? No way. Definitely a super speedy police cruiser.
Not quite. Let's find the matching parts. Point to the screen and help us pick the right one.
Oops, that wheel doesn't fit. Try again, super sleuths. 3, 2, 1, search.
Don't worry, even heroes makes mistakes. Let's look closer at the shape. Does that curve match?
Oh, God! Maybe this one? Wait, that's a tractor car. Silly me. Keep looking, everyone.
Click! Yes, that piece fits perfectly. You are doing amazing work, detectives. Dang! Another one locked in. Our brave police car is starting to look super shiny now.
Look at!
We are on a roll. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Found the siren. Beep, beep. Does this go on the roof? You tell me.
That's exactly right. You have such a sharp eye. Only a few more pieces left to snap into place. Final piece coming in. Snap. The brave police car is finally ready for duty.
Boom! They look so cool. I wish I had a police car that could drive on the sand.
You solved it. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. You superstars. Look at those fireworks. Pop. Bang. Our police friends are celebrating your victory.
You were incredible today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle fun. See you next time.
Welcome, everyone. Today we have our heroic fire truck and the brave police car joining us for an emergency adventure.
Vroom, vroom. Look at them zoom into position. Are you ready to play, team?
It is counting time. Let's count our emergency friends together. 1, 2, 3.
I see 4 vehicles. Wait, is that 5? I think I need glasses.
Oh my, that silly truck just did a somersault. Ha ha, he's so funny.
Whoops-a-daisy. He flipped right over. Are you laughing too?
Boom! Did you see that? Our truck just transformed with a magical spark. wheels are swapping places with a magical ting sound.
Poof! They changed color. Can you point to the fastest one on your screen?
Wow. Look at those fireworks. You did amazing today, little heroes. See you next time. Hey, everyone. Look at this mysterious shape appearing in the clouds. Can you guess who our jolly garbage truck friend is today?
Ooh, is it a giant toaster? I bet it's a giant toaster on wheels.
Silly. It's a garbage truck, and it keeps our streets sparkling clean. Let's help snap those heavy wheels into place. Ready? Click! Vroom, vroom! Time to attach the big container. Can you point your finger at the screen and help us guide it home?
I'm pushing the cab. Is it locked in? Did I get it right?
You nailed it! Our jolly garbage truck is fully assembled and ready to roll. Great job, team. Let's celebrate with a big cheer and some confetti. Beep, beep! Hooray!
Yay!
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Get ready for a supersized mystery mission. Look at that big shadow. It's a mighty tanker truck waiting for its engine.
3.
I bet it's a giant pink one. Pink is definitely the fastest color, right?
Not quite, my funny friend. Let's count down and see who can find the perfect match. 3, 2, 1, go! Touch the screen and pick the right cab for our tanker. Whoops! That purple cab is too small. Try again, kids.
Maybe the orange one. No? Oh man, that red X is so grumpy.
Keep going. Is it the pink one? Nope. Try another color. Look at that penguin cheering you on. Don't give up now.
Wait, is that the yellow one? Yes, it fits perfectly. Click!
Vroom, vroom! Our mighty tanker is finally complete and glowing bright. You did it, superstars! Hit that subscribe button for more puzzle. Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Today, we have 2 heavy-duty friends joining us in the park. Can you guess who they are?
Whoa, hold on. Is that a giant spaceship landing? Wait, no. It's just a dusty storm.
Haha, not quite. That's a cement mixer and a dump truck playing in the wind. Stay close. We need to help them. Everything is dark. Can you spot the outlines? Use your magic finger and trace the shapes on your screen.
Wait, is that a giant taco? No, it's an ambulance. Good eye, everyone. It's here to keep our truck safe.
Time to build our cement mixer friend. He needs his big round drum to mix all that concrete. Where does it go? Click! Perfect fit. Now he needs those sturdy wheels to roll down the street. Vroom, vroom!
I think the bumper goes on top. Wait, that's wrong, right?
Nice try, silly. The bumper goes right at the front to keep him protected. Let's try again. He's almost ready. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic work! Look at him spin. Our cement mixer is happy and ready for work. Give him a big high five on the screen. Now for the mighty dump truck. He needs his fuel tank to keep his engine roaring. Can you find it? Ting! That fuel tank is locked in. Now let's attach that huge red bag so he can carry all his heavy loads. Don't forget the tires! A truck can't go anywhere without its big, bouncy wheels. Let's snap them on! We are moving fast now. 3, 2, 1, and click! Our dump truck is looking stronger than ever. fireworks for our amazing builders. Did it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle fun. See you next time. Welcome to the Ultimate Construction Site Challenge, little builders. Are you ready to match these mighty machines?
Vroom, vroom! Check out that giant wrecking ball and the super strong dump truck. Let's get to work!
1,
Time
go!
for our shadow puzzle. Can you spot which silhouette belongs to our hardworking excavator?
I need an idea!
I think it goes here. Wait, is that a giant crab? No way, that's not a construction vehicle.
Oh, silly. Mr. Krabs is definitely not a dump truck. Let's try again, friends. Look closely at the shapes.
Whoa, look at that excavator go! Crash! It's tearing down that wall like
Excavator
magic.
wrecking
So
ball.
powerful.
Excavator wrecking ball.
Back to the puzzle. We need to fit our forklift and the excavator into their matching spots. Ready? Go!
Hey, why is Squidward popping up? Get out of the way! We're trying to match this forklift!
What?
Look at that giant magnet!
Excavator magnet.
It picks up heavy metal just like a
Excavator
superhero.
magnet.
How many pieces can it lift? Almost there. Let's slide that big yellow dump truck into its shadow. 3, 2, 1, click! See how the forklift zooms around the warehouse? It carries heavy boxes, so we don't have to. You did it! Perfect match. Give yourselves a huge round of applause, you amazing puzzle masters.
Look at that massive haul truck in the quarry. It's the biggest truck I've ever seen. What a way to finish our day.
You were all fantastic today. Keep building, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next puzzle adventure. Bye for now. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to help our brave police friends catch a cheeky thief.
Oh no, he swiped the wheels. Quick, let's chase him down. Zoom, zoom.
Don't worry, we can fix these vehicles. Can you point to the missing siren on your screen?
Ready?
I think the siren goes on the bumper. Wait, no, that's silly, right?
Haha, not quite. The siren sits right on top so everyone hears it coming. Click! Look at that shiny wheel snap into place. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels ready to roll.
No! God!
Oops! The officer dropped his donut. Let's get that window fixed before he gets hungry again.
Great job matching those pieces, team. You're doing a fantastic job helping the police squad.
Meow, why is there a kitty in the police SUV? That's the cutest siren I've ever seen.
The cat is our special helper today. Keep tapping those parts. You're almost finished. vehicles are fully repaired and looking brand new. Look, Mr. Bean is dancing.
Boom! Pop! Fireworks everywhere. You guys are the best mechanics in the whole world.
High five! You solved every puzzle today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big construction adventure. Are you ready to build?
Whoa! Look at those massive rollers. Are they going to paint the desert, Jose?
Not quite, silly. These are road rollers, and they help flatten the ground to make it nice and smooth for building. Time to play! Can you spot the missing pieces for our hard-working road rollers? Point right at them.
I see a big round drum. Is that a giant pizza topping? Maybe for the rollers to snack on?
Haha, nice try. But that's actually the heavy roller drum. Our prickly cactus friend is here to help us snap it into place.
Whoa, look
That
at!
perfect fit. Now help me count the wheels, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Vroom vroom! We are adding the cab now. Imagine driving this big machine across the sand.
You're doing amazing, team! Just a few more pieces left to make our rollers super strong and ready for work.
Boom! They are finished. Look at those beautiful shiny road rollers ready for action.
Fantastic job, everyone! You've mastered the construction site today. Give yourselves a giant high five and keep on building! Welcome, Puzzle Pals! Are you ready for a silly construction adventure? Boo!
Whoa, look at those funny cat faces on our construction crew. Meow vroom!
Oh no! Our hardworking digger and cement mixer have popped apart! Can you help us find their pieces?
I think the big yellow bucket goes on the tractor. Wait, is that a wheel? Uh-oh, I'm confused!
Don't worry, silly. Let's sort these by size. Everyone, point at the round wheels for me. Click, clack, snap! Watch the hard-working digger come back to life. Vroom, vroom!
Now the cement mixer is spinning its drum. Round and round it goes, mixing up some fun.
Great job, team. Amazing! We have all the pieces in place. They look stronger than ever.
Yay!
Boom! Confetti everywhere! You did it, you super builders! Give yourselves a huge high five!
That was awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our next...
Vroom, vroom! Look at those 3 monster bikes roaring across the bridge!
Whoa, where did they go? They've turned into mysterious shadows in the garage.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. It's a magical power-up sequence. Zap pow! Okay, team. These monster bikes need their wheels back. Can you spot the missing parts?
Is that a square wheel? No way, buddy. It has to be round to roll.
Amazing.
Great eye! Point to the screen and help us snap that gear into place. Click!
Oh yeah!
one more wheel to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Boom! Final piece is in. Look at those amazing monsters shine. Yes!
Sitting in metal positions. Can they bump up and take that lead away from Josh Sheehan? This is Rob Adelberg.
I just think when this run is all said and done, because Rob has a really good flow around the
Check
corner.
out those fireworks. You did a fantastic job helping our bike friends get ready for the road.
Whoa, look at that real-life rider go. Those stunts are super high flying.
And watch out, he's also got that double backflip in his arsenal as well.
That was such one great trick.
And both of these guys are looking to do it right out of the gate. There's the double. So you're
Practice to come out with a front flip, right into a double backflip. You've got to calm yourself down.
But it was the 5-time best win gold medalist Jared McNeil that was on point from start to finish. And he comes out of this one as the top qualifier going into the medal round. The man of the hour in the last round, Jared McNeil. In the first round, he was on that top spot, but nobody was able to bounce.
You guys are absolute puzzle champions today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye-bye. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Can you spot the sneaky robbers in their van? Let's go!
Oh no, they crashed. Did the police car catch a butterfly instead? Oops, silly me.
Boom! That was a big collision. But look, our kind rescue truck is here to save the day. Time for a checkup. Point your finger at the screen to help the brave police car into the garage. Wrench, hammer, bolt! Let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3. Can you find the missing wheel? Look at him shine! Our police buddy is looking brand new thanks to your help, super detectives.
Yay!
Is he ready for duty? Yes, he is. Vroom, vroom, off he goes to keep the city safe.
Confetti time! You solved the puzzle perfectly. Give yourselves a big high five. You're all legends. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Look at that bright monster truck zoom by. Vroom, vroom.
Whoa! Did that cloud just zap our truck? Zapped into a silhouette. Poof!
Don't worry. We can rebuild our mighty friend. Can you point to the missing truck body?
Ready? Go!
Let's snap that giant wheel into place. Click! 1 down, 3 more to go.
Is this the steering wheel? No, that's a window. Silly me. Let's try again.
Good catch. Now slide that piece right into the shadow. Perfect fit. Almost there. Let's count the last 2 pieces together. 1, 2. Done. Look at it glow! Our mighty monster truck is ready for action. You guys are amazing! Beep, beep! Off it goes! Great teamwork, everyone. See you next time for more puzzle fun.